everyone, in this video we brought over 6 main tips to get your listings to the top and increase your sales in 2022. Let's go. So tip number 1, good product title. Improving your title with tools like Zik's Title Builder is a must. Using strong search words and using all 80 characters given to us, and most importantly, always check the strength of the title and know where to improve according to the seasons, holidays, and so on. Tip number 2, quality market research. The products you choose for your store is the most important thing in your store. Knowing how to examine a product's quality, sales volume, profitability without ever seeing the product requires a lot of learning and experience from you. Tip number 3 is to attract buyers with promotions. Online buyers have so many tools to search and compare costs, so you need to grab their attention and keep it on your listing. Running promotions is one of the best ways to increase visibility and sales. Before we move on to our next tip, please consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel for more educational content like this. Tip number 4, item specifics. In one of the latest updates on eBay, they started to put more serious emphasis on item specifics. In the item specifics, you can find the dimension, the color, brand, serial number, and even sometimes more in-depth details about the product itself. Check out this example. The more item specifics you add on the product, the more your listing will be promoted organically. Tip number 5 is to upload as many photos as possible, which means up to 12 photos. If you're struggling to hit 12, aim for at least 8 images on each listing. And even if you don't think your listing needs 8 to 12 images, it's good for search results. Tip number 6, item description. Product description is an integral part of every product page. On the product page, you will see a good picture of the product, and in many cases, different from the main picture. You see an explanation of the product and its qualities, and sometimes an easy explanation of use. You can also see all of the seller's policies on payment, shipping, returns, and all the options offered to your customers. An add-on that adds to every sales page, looks more professional and serious. So what do you think of these tips? If you have more tips that can increase your sales, please write them down in the comments section. Take care.